Hello, I'm Hamish Champ, editor of PRW magazine, and welcome to this edition of PRW Video News. German chemicals company Lanxess has announced it will reduce its global workforce by 1,000 within 2 years. The job cuts in areas such as marketing, sales and research and development would be part of the first phase of what the group called its three-phase realignment programme. Lanxess said around half the job losses would take place in Germany, however it gave no details as to where the rest of the cuts would take place. Dairycrest has announced plans to sell its dairies operations to Muller UK and Ireland for £80 million in cash. The group, which recently announced that it would bottle its milk in plastic rather than glass, said the sale process would need competition authority approval and could take several months to complete. The group said proceeds from the sale would initially be used to pay down its net debt, which in March this year stood at £142 million. The UK automotive supply chain could benefit from a further £2 billion of potential business in addition to the £3 billion that has already been identified, according to a new report. The Automotive Council said increased UK component and raw material supplies to Tier 1 companies could fuel the rise. Currently, around a third of components that go into cars built in the UK are sourced from these shores. The Automotive Council said this proportion could be nearly doubled to 60%, in line with other European countries. Around 5 million workers could be entitled to backdated holiday pay following an employment appeal tribunal decision, according to a leading trade union. Unite, which represents around 1.4 million workers across the UK, said the groundbreaking appeal meant all UK employers would be required to include overtime pay when calculating staff holiday pay. However, employers' organisations said the ruling, if confirmed, could result in firms delaying investment or even cutting hours for staff. Business Secretary Vince Cable has established a task force to examine the implications of the court's decision. And finally, 3D did not end with how moviegoers could see the recent sci-fi blockbuster Guardians of the Galaxy. It appears it extended to printing off a costume worn by one of the film's leading actors. Ji-Jun Hoon-soo, who played the part of Korath in the film, wore an armour outfit that was made using 3D printing technology provided by Stratasys. Costume and props firm FBFX said the outfit was produced almost entirely using a Stratasys Objet 500 Connex machine and was the first time it had produced a fully 3D printed outfit worn in a movie. And that's it from us. For more on these and other stories, go to prw.com. Thanks for watching.